On Home and Lifestyle TV, we bring you the best travel destinations. And today we take you to the Amalfi Coast of Italy on a luxurious, custom-curated vacation by Flaminia Travels. We find the hidden luxurious gems of Amalfi, from hotels to locally owned restaurants and private tours of some of the most beautiful places. We start our journey in the sun-drenched seaside town of Sorrento. The Amalfi Coast has been inspiring poets, painters, and travelers for centuries. The Romans were among the first to fall in love with this coastline, building villas right into the hillsides, overlooking the water below.
Welcome to Sorrento. Enjoy the beautiness. Welcome to paradise.
Its narrow streets and quiet courtyards still echo with the spirit of old-world Italy, but there's a playful energy here too. Welcome to Hotel della Syrene in Sorrento, Italy. The Bellevue Syrene is another luxurious hotel that's built right into the cliffs, guaranteed to leave you speechless. You'll fall in love with this gem of a hotel, and the people too. So if you're looking for luxury, relaxation, and amazing food, come to Sorrento. Next up, a place where history lingers in the breeze and every corner feels like a secret waiting to be discovered. We explore the magic of the Isle of Capri. Capri is luxury wrapped in a legend. From hidden grottos to breathtaking rock formations and stunning coastal villages, all surrounded by sapphire blue seas. Beyond the stunning scenery, Italy has become home to some of the world's most beloved foods. Their culture insists on only using farm-fresh, locally grown, simple ingredients that nourish both the body and soul. One of the biggest takeaways from this trip was the lifestyle. From lively markets and cafes to the scent of lemons around every corner. The people we met in Italy truly take time to appreciate and celebrate their lives, their health, their food, and their rich culture. And now for one of the most viewed places in the movies and TV, Positano. Once a quiet fishing village, it boomed into an icon in the 1950s, capturing the hearts of artists, writers, and travelers who fell in love with its effortless charm. Thanks to Flaminia Travels, we had our own little piece of paradise, tucked high in the cliffs between Positano and Piccolo, giving us access to all the beauty, flavors, and hidden treasures the Amalfi Coast has to offer.
Ciao, pizza capricciosa, olives, salame, mushrooms, tomato, and mozzarella.
Just above the town, Hotel Piccolo Sant'Andrea was built directly into the cliffside, with views that take your breath away. The Amalfi Coast is best viewed by water, so we chartered a boat ride down the breathtakingly gorgeous coast. The water, crystal clear, the cliffs, straight from a painting, and around every bend, another postcard-perfect village waiting to be discovered. And we couldn't resist the temptation of Amalfi's famous treats. Warm sofflighera, and of course, a taste of the world-famous limoncello. Each bite and sip sweeter than the view itself. We cruised past sun-washed villas, and Amalfi's Cathedral Sant'Andrea rose like a storybook centerpiece, while the colorful marina bustled with local life and shopkeepers preparing for the evening ahead. As the sun sets on one of the most stunning places we've ever experienced, we reflect on Amalfi Coast and already can't wait to return to this hidden jewel by the sea. We want to thank Flaminia Travels for yet another life-altering trip, one we'll cherish for a lifetime. If you'd like help planning a European journey of a lifetime, reach out to Flaminia Travels for the very best. Helping you live the lifestyle you love, safe travels from all of us at Home and Lifestyle TV.